Continental doing this sets a very good example to businesses throughout the state of New York and throughout our counties and communities.
We produce wallboard. We like to call it bison board. It is used to create shelter from everywhere from the Manhattan skyscrapers to your local home.
One really unique aspect of this project in Buchanan, New York is not only is it helping Continental building products, but it's also helping local people subscribe to this project because it's a community solar project and save money on their bills as well.
You're signing up for a program in which you're not installing any hardware at your house. You have a program where your billing is such that you'll probably receive 5 or 10% off of your bill by being a subscriber to this community solar program.
We want to not have to produce more infrastructure to maintain the needs of the area, so it's a win-win for all of us.
It's a bold idea that aligns with our values of sustainability and collaboration.
Congratulations on this important project for our community and continued success.
This is one of the largest in New York State, so it's really giving back to the community.
We're just very happy to have this project come to the Village of Buchanan, and we're very happy to have Continental here as a good corporate neighbor.
When you look at an effort of a project this size, it takes everybody pitching in. So for New York State, the incentives that they were able to provide, Con Ed able to work with the state and ourselves, having InterSolar who could actually help us navigate a lot of the different constituencies as to how we should go ahead and make this project become a reality was another huge help.
This project to me represents the vision and the true private-public partnerships. It's really important that Continental Building Products and other companies like them take the responsibility in stepping up for the environment for generations to come.